REPOSAL inter-layer insulation winding machine solves bottlenecks existing in manual wound high-voltage coils. Traditional manual-based techniques bring messy wire arrangement, unstable tension, and poor adhesion. The layered placement of 3 to 4 layer composite insulation for extra high-voltage coils easily causes offset and wrinkles, triggering partial discharge and voltage resistance risks with unstable yield. REIT's highly versatile Shipu equipment enables precise layered laying for single-layer insulation and multi-layered similar materials in strict accordance with insulation arrangement requirements. It delivers tidy winding layout and intelligent full-process tension control, enabling close-fitted insulation paper free of creases and gaps. Featuring easy one-click operation, the machine greatly raises production efficiency. It fundamentally eliminates interlayer hollowing, out-of-control tension, and uneven insulation. It steadily maintains coil's voltage withstand capacity and insulation service life. It makes high-voltage coil winding more efficient, accurate, and dependable, assisting transformer manufacturers in quality improvement and stable output. Feel free to contact REPOSAL for inquiries. Your shares are welcomed, and let us pursue mutual benefiting progress together.